How to use the Craft Express oven. Start by plugging in your machine. Turn the knob on the left-hand side of your oven to set the upper oven temperature. Turn the knob in the middle of your oven to set your lower oven temperature. We are setting both the upper and lower oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. To set the time, turn the knob on the right-hand side of your oven. We are setting our timer to 12 minutes. Press the button on the time knob to start preheating your oven. Wrap and adhere your transfer around your substrate using heat tape. Slide your wrapped substrate into your shrink wrap film. When your oven is done preheating, place your wrapped substrate in your oven. Once done, remove your shrink wrap and transfer from your substrate and reveal your finished product.